Hello. My name is Joseph. Seen you guys on Upwork. Um, so pretty much this is what we can do. First, you have to get your brand right, all right, and then you have to get your presence right on on the internet. So first things first, I'm just gonna go into the key elements to ranking organically, and then throw in a few things that we can do, on the marketing side. So what this is gonna do is build your presence organically for when people search for you. And then I'll just mention a few things we can do on the marketing side. So first things first is the map listing, and this anchors you in the town you desire to rank in. Now, I know you're probably not based out of a specific area and you're trying to get clients all over, the world or the country, but you still have to be anchored somewhere, okay? You have to. Now, there's four different types of ranking. In you got the local level, people who just trying to reach those in in town. You got the state level, those are trying to reach everybody in the state. National level, and then the global level. You have to start local, okay? Like, I'm not sure if these clients of yours are local, right? Or maybe they're all in the same state. But it takes a lot of work to get to the national level, build your brand to the national level. So you want to be a training company on a national level, you have to start with the basics, and that's with the map listing. All right, after that, we're going to start running citations to the map listing using your NAP info. That's your name, address, and phone number. Okay. What we're going to be doing is citing this information everywhere from like local business directories, local chamber of commerce, different social media platforms. It's going to start building up your map listing. After this, we got to add content, and this is the words on your site, and they must be authoritative and relevant to searchers. Okay, so you want to appear when someone types in a service that you have, like Excel training, or just the type of service that you have. You want to be able to rank for that specific term. And a lot has to do with the content based around that specific search. So why not webinars or online training? So your service is, Microsoft training, right? Let's just, what this is going to do, I don't know what town you guys are in. So let's just say you're in freaking Atlanta. This will start giving you, so look, all you have is these guys. So tech shirts, NH, Nikon, NH. So you want to be able to appear in your local area first. And then from there, we can start spanning all, you know what I mean? Let's just say you're based out of Georgia or Atlanta. You're going to have one of these map listings, and then we can start expanding throughout the state and then throughout the whole, country. But you got to start somewhere first, right? After this, we're going to start backlinking to your website, to your map listing, and to your other citations that we got for your map listing. All right, this is a whole network. All right, after this is all done, this is a continuous process, but we'll start, from the bottom up. I like to work from the bottom up. These are the basics. I know you don't have a lot of time. I'm trying to run through this pretty quick. This is how I've been doing this for 10 years, and it's worked every time. I mean, it works. All right. So backlinks are like votes from other sites. I know you guys probably have a few. You have, from what I saw, 11 backlinks. Probably you probably have around 50 or so. Okay. After this, we'll start building up your YouTube and your social media platforms. All right. And this is going to start building more trust and start building your brand. Okay. Especially when we go into the social media, we're going to start getting, generating an audience. Okay. When people start liking your page, your Facebook page, your Instagram, that means they're interested in that. Okay. And now that they're interested in it, that means if we do run an ad on social media, guess what? The people who liked your page is going to be seeing it more often. And if they see it more often, guess what they're going to do? They're going to click on it, and then boom, they're on your landing page, and these guys are contacting you, right? Where's your quote form at? There's no quote form. This is the on. This is just something called conversions right here. Okay, so you want to convert people as soon as they land on this. You want to make it simple and easy to contact you. Right now, I can't find one way to contact you guys. Not one way. There's not a phone number on here. There's not a contact form on here. Here we go. I had to find it. But you don't want that. You want it to be so easy and simple. You need this thing on every page. This needs to be click to call. So guys, you're out of Milwaukee. See? You don't even show up in your own town for what you do. These guys do. All right, but you get the gist. So thank you for taking the time to watch this. I could just go on this all day, but yeah, if you have any more questions, just feel free to contact me.